Welcome back to our third video. Now click Calculate Emissions to see the results. These example numbers would be typical of a small to medium-sized project that is semi-remote. The results are provided to you in two sets of pie charts and tables. The first one is a high-level summary of project level and corporate level, and the second one provides a more comprehensive distribution of emission and costs of project level activities. To save your results, you need to scroll down, and here you are able to either print a PDF of these charts or export the numbers to an Excel document. You can change your inputs by click Change Inputs here, and let's do two changes. Delete drilling activity and increase carbon pricing to $100. You will need to click Calculate again. And as you can see, emissions related to drilling, the red area, disappeared, and now the cost is $100 per ton. So this is it, pretty simple tool to use. For support and guidance on how to reduce your emissions, look to the PDAC's Driving Responsible Explorations, Toolkits and Guidance. On this page, we also invite you to share any questions and comments about our calculator. Just choose it here and write your comments or questions. Thank you very much for your interest in our calculator.